Hey guys, it's Danny. Today I'm gonna show you the best, well, I don't know if they're the best, but the cutest LED panels ever. They are so slim you cannot even see them, but I assure you they are here. But they're so slim you cannot really see them. I have just installed these and I have to say the inspiration for them came from a different channel called My Petite Garden. I'll link you to her channel down below in the description. This is a channel with very soothing videos, but also very inspiring. So I do recommend if you want some decorative ideas. Also in the description you will find the links on Amazon for these panels, but I have to say I purchased them from Amazon USA. I could not find them in Europe at all. These panels are super affordable. They are $20 each set, that is, of 2 panels, which are a little bit modular. I ended up paying twice as much because of the transport and also import taxes, but it's absolutely worth it. If you guys know me, you know I'm super picky when it comes to LED lights. I've turned down so many offers, but these things fit so well under my IKEA shelving here. We're gonna get to it. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a like and why not subscribe. I post very regularly here on this channel as well. And with that said, let me show you how I installed them. Alright, so as you can see, the box is now branded. I do believe this is a white label product, not sure, but you will find different brands selling the same product on Amazon with a different spectrum. But then again, I do see that most grow lights are on the internet. What to do? At least this one is super thin and super suitable for the project that I have in mind. So in the package you will find 2 LED panels made out of aluminum, which are very slim. They can actually be connected lengthwise to create a square or widthwise to create a longer panel, and I will opt for the second option. Also in the box we have a tiny user manual. We have the connector and also some metal pieces to make the whole thing more sturdy, the hanging mechanism, and also the power plug, which is obviously made for US plugs. Keep in mind, whenever purchasing from the USA, look at the voltage. Luckily, this product can be used with both 110 and 220 volts. A little side note here, I do believe that the hanging mechanism is designed for the square-shaped way of mounting it because I really don't see how the strings are long enough if you want to arrange it widthwise. So now I will connect my panels and I'll show you how easy it is. All you need to do is insert this very flimsy connector, be careful with it, in one of the jacks and then in the other, and there we go, my panels are connected. Mind you, they are not sturdy at all, so this is why you have some metal reinforcements. The thing is, if I use them, these pins will create a bump. The panel will not stay flush with my shelf. So I'm not going to use them because I'm going to actually glue the panel to the shelf, so it will not move at all. I'm using this 3M double adhesive tape, which is easily removable. I hate when double adhesive tape leaves marks. This one doesn't. So I'm going to place it on my panels in a way that I can make sure it will stay in place. The shelf that I'm using is from IKEA. It's from their VITTSJÖ line. I see many YouTubers using these shelves and I have to say they're beautiful and very suited for a home. The best part about it is the glass middle shelf, which lets light pass through. And I will be installing my lights on the top shelf for maximum light throughout the shelves. I took some measurements beforehand. It's always a good idea to mount your light pretty symmetrical. And another note, I see that this shelf is available in black and white, but here in the European Union, or at least in my country, I see that only the black one is available. Works out for me because my living room is white and black, but I see that in the USA you have a white version as well. So I'm connecting the panels to electricity, and behold, we have light. And isn't it pretty? Now, don't mind the cables. I have to do some cable management, which I already started. It's pretty easy to hide the cables on the shelf. And I have to say, I'm super, super pleased with the result. The LED panel has a very warm color. I'll talk about it. It is definitely not a white light. It is a very warm light. You can see we have golden and red LEDs. And also they do warm up a little bit, but they don't get super hot at all. I can barely feel a little bit of warmth on the top shelf, and beneath it doesn't really create much warmth, which is great, but the transformer in the plug does heat up a little bit, which I see happens with quite a lot of light fixtures that I use, and that's okay. Now, one thing I will say is that they are super, super, super warm. They have a lot of red in their spectrum, a lot of yellow, white, very, very, very little blue. Now, because this is right next to the window, in the morning time, I do actually have direct sunshine here. So I use them pretty much in the second half of the day. So my plants do receive some natural light, but then it gets very shady in this location. I don't know if these are particularly great to be used in a very, very shady location or a no natural light location, since they don't have any blue in their spectrum. But I will be able to better tell as I use them. I might actually order more because I love them so much. I might order more and try them out in a very, very low naturally lit location and see how they perform. I do believe blue wavelengths help plants a lot, but exactly what will be the outcome, I don't know. I have to say though that I love the light of these LEDs. I'm a sucker for very warm light, very cozy light. But if you hate yellow light, you're absolutely going to hate these LED panels. There is another version of these with quite a lot of purple. I see on Amazon. Maybe you like that more. I personally really dislike that pink purple light. So these are absolute paradise for me. But be warned, they're very ambery yellow looking like. Alrighty, so it has been a year ever since I filmed what you just saw. It's a video I had on my second channel and I am uploading it now on the Orchid channel, and well, I have been using these LED lights for a year now, and I have to say they're working quite nice. Do I feel that they need a little bit more blue? Yeah, I do. But I do still really, really like them. They are very yellow, very red. If you don't like that color, then you're gonna hate these. But I like them. However, I want to change them from here. I want to put them in a different setup, in a detolf shelf. I think they're gonna be perfect. I like them. Final verdict, they did manage to grow plants really nice. I think in the video I used caladiums to test them out, and I have to say the caladiums grew beautifully. They work. It's nice. I really, really like them. I would prefer them to be a little bit more white, to be fully honest. I feel like it's a little too red, but overall they're not bad. And for the price, especially if you're in the USA and you don't have to pay import tax, oh my goodness, they're so good. And they're so thin. So yeah, I like them. They have my seal of approval. After one continuous year of use, none of them broke. They're both working. I'm trying something out there. It's not working out because the stuff is falling. It's okay. So I'm gonna reuse them in a different setup, which you will see pretty soon. But yeah, I like them. That's the final idea. So that said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will of course keep you up to date. So the plants you see here, there are some caladiums which are recovering after transport. They don't look so hot, but I do intend to play around with the arrangement of the plants some other time, and also do some cable management here. This is behind my TV. But yeah, that's gonna be for a different video. With that said, as I was saying, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.